Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to use Google Maps Street View. First of all, unlock your phone and open Google Maps. After that, tap on the search bar at the top and type the location you want to see. It can be any place like a street, city, or building. Now tap on the location from the search results to open it. On the location page, you will see a small image or preview option. This is where Street View is usually available. Once Street View opens, you can move around the area freely. Just swipe left, right, up, or down to explore the streets. You can also tap on nearby locations or red pins to move forward. If you want better control, tap on the layers icon on the top right. Here you can switch map types and enable Street View if needed. This helps you adjust the view and explore more details easily. It's a helpful option when you want a clearer navigation experience. So guys, that's how you can easily use Google Maps Street View step by step. Just follow these simple instructions and you can explore any place in the world. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more easy tech tutorials.